Hello YouTube, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Share and Knowledge video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 10 applications and social media Android applications for your Windows 10 PC without using any software. The Microsoft Store on Windows 10 remains integral part of the operating system. Microsoft Store is a digital distribution platform. Microsoft Store has nearly everything you could want for your Windows device, including the latest games, creativity software, applications, and more. With the Microsoft Store applications, you can download and install Windows applications and social media Android applications for your Windows. Hence, the advantage of this method is that you don't need to install any downloader on your PC, and it's pretty simple and easy. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe channel. Okay, let's start. Follow these steps. You have to open your Microsoft Store from your taskbar or from Start Menu Applications. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in, then you can see this interface. You can see this kind of window. You can see here for options. Then select top applications. Then you can see this kind of window. Now you can browse thousands of free and paid applications by category, read user reviews, and compare ratings. Okay, then here click on the charts. From the drop menu, you can see the options: most popular, trending, top free, and paid applications. You can select one what you want. Now I'm choosing top free applications. Okay. Then next, department applications. No need changes. It's default. Next, click on all category. From the drop menu category, you can see education, business, developer tools, social media, health and fitness, sports, and more applications categories. You can choose one your favorite category. Now I'm choosing social media applications. Okay. Next, you can see here all ratings. If you want to compare ratings, you can compare with other applications. Okay. Next, click on more filters and then choose available on PC. It's default. No need change. Now you can download and install free Windows applications and social media Android applications for your Windows computer. Okay, you can choose one your favorite applications. Then you can see the button get for downloading. You can see here, simply click on it. Once download complete, click on install. If you are already installed once on your computer, the button may say install rather than get. Okay. Once install complete, then application icon will appear on your Start Menu Applications. And once complete the installation, application download page will show you launch button. Simply click on it. Then you can run your application, sign in with your social media account. Okay, you are done. That's all. I hope this video helped for you. Thanks for watching and supporting. If you have any issues, comments below. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure hit like and share. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next video. Bye. Take care.